Hi, Janelle here with Sheep Hill Herbs. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. I hope you're having a great day out there. So today I'm going to show you how to make capsules with a Quik capsule maker. So CAP space MQUIK, and I'll put a link for this down below. And this is what I use to make my capsules. I had other capsule makers in the past, but this is my favorite one. I think it works the best and is the easiest. Maybe not super fast, but definitely faster than making capsules by hand. So before I get started, if everyone could like, subscribe, hit the bell button, comment, check out my description down below. I have my link tree there, which links to everything that is me, including my home herbalist course, which is something that I've been running since last April. It's a 10-month program. I have had a few graduates and I have a current number of students enrolled, and everyone has had great things to say about this program. You can see some of those reviews on my Google Sheep Hill Herbs business page, and also on my Facebook page that's in my link tree. You can go there and see reviews. Lastly, if you want to connect with me, you can do so by going to my website. That's in my link tree. Click on the newsletter button, sign up for my newsletter, send me a message. I do business coaching, personal coaching for herbs and nutrition, chakra readings, Zoom calls, so all kinds of things. Check that out. So let's get started with the video. I'm going to show you the capsule maker, and then I will position the camera so you can see me make the capsules. So this is the Quik capsule maker. On the floor. There are only a few parts to this. This is the base. Goes like this. You have these two little feet or pedestal pieces. Put them on like that. This is the top of the tray. And that slides on. You want to, when you start, you leave this space. I will eventually turn this and push the tray down, but this is how it starts to load. This is the top that you use the tamper to press down your powder. And I do not have the card there. I've had a couple of these machines, and for some reason I always lose the card. It's just basically a piece of plastic that you scrape back and forth. Right now I'm using a plastic spoon to do that. I use a size 0 capsule maker. That's the size I like. I have size 0 capsules that I order, either Mountain Rose Herb if I have a Mountain Rose Herb order in place, or Amazon when I need capsules and I haven't placed an order. I will have links down below for that. And so I usually use vegetarian capsules. Almost 99.9% of the time I use vegetarian capsules. So I'm going to show you how to do this. I'll position the camera and you can see this in action. So the first thing I do, now I happen to buy capsules that already had the lid separated from the base. I'd never found this before, and it does make it a little easier, but typically I have a bag and all the capsules are together, so you have to first pull them apart. But for this instance, they already are apart. I'm going to turn this back down. Watch my hand. Here is the bottom of the capsule. And it just goes in the tray. Let's pull a little bit closer. So I just put the bottom in the tray filling in each of the holes. So I'm going to do that. Okay, so I filled up the capsule maker. You can see the capsules standing there. There's nothing at the top showing. When I push this tray down, you will see the capsules standing up, and that's how you put the lids on. So now I'm going to add the powder. I have mixed together spirulina and kelp powder, equal parts. So I made this for someone experiencing, I don't want to say brain fog, but like slow memory. Oftentimes that is a lack of nutrients. So these herbs, really high vitamin sources, plus feeds the thyroid and endocrine system. Most of us do not get enough natural iodine. And kelp is a seaweed with natural iodine. So mixing these two herbs here on the tray, I was breaking apart a little bit of clumps. And then what I do is I take my tamper and I tamp it. And then I'm actually going to take the back side of the tamper and just push back and forth. Usually have to tamp it down like 3 times. I'm going to do it again. You want to go sort of slowly. You can sometimes like pull up the whole tray by accident. So I'm going to go again. And it looks like I need some more powder, so I'm going to add some more. Just spread it around. It's simple, but I've had so many people mess up trying to do this. It takes a knack. And when you're good at it, you can make 100 capsules pretty quick. So this tray makes 50, but typically I do 100 at a time for people. I can do it 100 in, I think, 10 minutes or less than 10 minutes. I'm going slower right now though. So then what I want to do is just kind of scoop off the powder and putting it back in my bowl. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is push the top part down. And what I do is I turn one side and then the other. This part you want to go slowly so it doesn't disrupt. And then you just push down, and now you have your capsules standing up and they're ready for lids. So you take the small lid and you just by hand go through and put the lids on, push down until you hear a little click. I had a different capsule maker that you put the two pieces together and you kind of like push them and the lids go on. I'm gonna lift this back up. So the lids would go and go on together. But it often like crunched lids and it didn't make the capsules as nice. Sometimes they would be squished. I didn't like it. This is better. This method is better. It's my favorite capsule maker and they would last forever. I actually think I've only had 2 and 2 so I can have someone help me. It's great. It's like there's no digital aspect that can go wrong that you have to buy another one. It's sturdy plastic and lasts a good long time. So there you have it, finished capsules. And you know what's in them because you put what you wanted in the capsule. There's no fillers, no binders, no other herbs to take up space that are cheaper. And that's why I like to make my own capsules, because I know if I want spirulina and kelp, that's what I'm putting in, that's what I'm getting. if you look on bottles of capsules you buy, not all capsules, there are brands that are great. I use, I don't have a bottle near me, Dr. Christopher Herbs, because that was the school I went through. And I know they use all herb. But a lot of bottles, if you look on the back and see other ingredients, they put other ingredients in. And the purity or the concentration of herb is much less than it should be because of those other ingredients. So I hope you liked this video. Making capsules is not for everyone, but it's for those of you who searched this topic and wanted to know how to do it. So thanks, and come again soon.